Turn overseas visitors into paying customers. Getting started is easy. Just log into your free HitPay account. On the HitPay dashboard, navigate to Settings, Store Settings, Multi-Currency Converter. Then add the currencies you want to support. Set exchange rates your way by choosing real-time automatic updates or fixed manual rates. You can also set price adjustments like markups or rounding. Set the default currency automatically based on the customer's location, or let them manually select it from the drop-down. Click Save, and you're done. Customers can now view product prices based on their selected currency. At checkout, customers can choose a local QR payment method or enter their card details. After checkout, customers can view their order on the order page and will receive a confirmation email. Ready to use the multi-currency converter on your store? Visit our website to sign up now.